Hi, I'm Chuck with DataMynd, and today I'll be showing you how to use our Snowflake native application to generate high-quality synthetic data safely within your Snowflake account. Producing high-quality synthetic data has become essential for data teams across industries, particularly those handling sensitive information found in the healthcare, financial, ad tech, and software sectors. Here are just a few of the key use cases for synthetic data: supporting secure development and software evaluations, enhancing security when training ML models when production data can't be used, or securely sharing data and insights with either internal or external parties. In all of these cases, high-quality synthetic data that accurately mirrors the trends and correlations found in production data can be a safe and effective alternative. Our native app is easy to use, gives you a highly accurate representation of your production data, and lets you easily control both the quality and privacy of your results. You can find our native app by either searching DataMynd or synthetic data on the Snowflake Marketplace, or by clicking the link provided. Installing the native app is simple. Click Get on the listing page, fill in your details, and with a few clicks you'll be ready to generate your own synthetic data. When you open the app in Snowflake, you'll see your existing synthetic data projects and can view the details for each one. A project can generate from a single production table, or you can choose several. Let's look at a simple project that generates data from a diabetes patient classification dataset that I've already generated data for. To keep things simple for today, we're just looking at a single table project, but the workflow looks very similar when working with multiple tables. In the sidebar, you'll notice the source tables that we're training on. This would be your sensitive production data. Below that, you'll see the output schema. The synthetic data that we generate in this project will be stored here. On this page, we'll select our training model and parameters. Each synthesizer model works a little bit differently. Some are optimized for speed, while others are optimized for accuracy or industry-specific data types. You can click the tutorial button for more information. In this case, we chose a simple model, the Gaussian copial model, which is very fast, but not as accurate as some of the other models. Most of the other models use more advanced techniques like neural nets to discover the intricate details of the data and take longer to train, but can produce extremely accurate results. The advanced settings can be used to adjust the accuracy of your results, as well as to optimize performance. Here we can add tables to our project and configure the column and privacy settings. Column settings include things like ID formats and constraints, which can be used to fine-tune the output values in the synthetic data. Privacy settings, like anonymization, can be used to omit sensitive values when training and instead use completely fabricated values. While we're just showing a simple project today, you'll also be able to configure table relationships here when setting up a multi-table model. Here you'll see a couple of options for data sampling and the number of rows to generate for each table. Sampling can be useful for improving performance on larger tables and for quick projects. When you reach this point, you're done with the setup. The Train Model button will begin the training process, which can take a few seconds to a few hours, depending on the size and complexity of the data, as well as the selected training model. Once you see a successful train status, you can click Generate Data to write your new synthetic data to your output tables. This process can also take a few moments. The last page of the app is useful for evaluating your new synthetic data and highlighting whether it's ready to use or might require some changes to the data or model settings. Here you get a quality score and a few related metrics that show how accurately your synthetic data reflects the real data. The histogram comparison details each column and the variance between the real data and synthetic data. The real data is shown by the green line, while the synthetic data is represented by the blue line. Finally, you can preview your newly generated synthetic data and do some light exploration with the filters in the sidebar. We'd love to invite you to check out our free trial that you can find on the Snowflake Marketplace today. You can visit us at DataMynd.ai or follow us on LinkedIn. We're also happy to answer any questions sent to info@datamind.ai.